In the world of high-performance blenders, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender stands out as a powerful and versatile option that balances performance with noise reduction. If you've ever hesitated to blend your morning smoothie because you didn't want to wake up the entire household, this blender might be the answer to your problems. With its powerful 1500-watt motor, stainless steel blades, and innovative quiet shield, this blender offers a robust blending experience without the deafening noise that usually accompanies it. If you're looking for a blender that combines power, performance, and quiet operation, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is a great investment for your kitchen. The first thing you'll notice about the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is its sleek and professional design. The silver finish and streamlined build give it a modern look that fits well in any kitchen. It doesn't take up too much counter space despite its powerful motor, making it a good option for those who need a powerful blender, don't want a bulky appliance. One of the key design features of this blender is the quiet shield, which acts as both a noise dampener and a serving pitcher. The shield is removable, and when in place, it significantly reduces the noise generated by the blender's motor and blades. This makes it ideal for use in the early morning or late at night when you want to avoid disturbing others in the household. 32-ounce shatterproof jar is BPA-free, ensuring that your food and drinks are prepared in a safe environment. The jar is sturdy, lightweight, and able to withstand the high-speed blending of tough ingredients. The included tamper is a nice touch, especially for those who like to make thick smoothies or blend frozen ingredients, as it helps push the ingredients down towards the blades for more efficient blending. The Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is equipped with a powerful 1500-watt motor that provides 2.0 peak horsepower, making it capable of tackling even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're blending ice, frozen fruits, vegetables, or even nuts, this blender has the strength to break everything down into a smooth and consistent texture. This level of power makes the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender perfect for making smoothies, purees, shakes, and even hot soups. The motor is designed for optimal airflow, which not only helps reduce noise, but also prevents overheating during extended blending sessions. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is its focus on noise reduction. The removable quiet shield dampens the noise generated by the blender, making it much quieter than most high-powered blenders on the market. This feature is particularly useful if you live in a household with children, roommates, or anyone who might be disturbed by loud blender noise. The shield isn't just functional, it's also versatile. It can double as a serving pitcher, allowing you to easily pour your freshly blended drinks without making a mess. The shield is also easy to clean, and it's dishwasher-safe, making it a low-maintenance addition to your kitchen. The Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is more than just a smoothie maker. It's a versatile kitchen tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. From blending smoothies and shakes, pureeing soups, emulsifying dressings, and even grinding spreads, this blender is designed to handle various culinary tasks with ease. Powerful motor and durable blades make it capable of performing like a professional-grade blender, while the quiet shield ensures that it doesn't disrupt your kitchen environment. The blender's versatility is further enhanced by the included tamper, which helps you blend thick or dense ingredients more effectively. Whether you're making a thick smoothie with frozen fruits or a hearty soup with vegetables, the tamper ensures that everything is evenly blended without the need for stopping and scraping the sides of the jar. One of the less glamorous, yet highly important aspects of any kitchen appliance is how easy it is to clean. Thankfully, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender excels in this area as well. The blender jar, lid, and tamper are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. The blender also features a one-touch clean program, which makes washing the jar even easier. Simply add some water and a drop of dish soap. Run the clean program, and your blender will be ready for the next use in no time. Hamilton Beach stands by the quality and durability of its products, and the Professional Quiet Shield Blender is no exception. This blender comes with a 5-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind that your investment is protected. The warranty covers any defects in materials or workmanship, ensuring that your blender will perform reliably for years to come. Final verdict: the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is an excellent choice for those who want a high-performance blender without the noise typically associated with powerful motors. Its 1500-watt motor, stainless steel blades, and quiet shield make it a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that can handle everything from smoothies to purees with ease. The pre-programmed settings and variable speed control provide flexibility and convenience, while the easy-to-clean design and dishwasher-safe components make maintenance a breeze. If you're looking for a blender that combines power, performance, and quiet operation, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is a great investment for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.